guys, it's Monday and let's go to work. So every time na pumapasok ako is nagtatawagan kami lagi ng friend ko. Guys, it's so init. Guys, ito lagi yung breakfast namin. Hash roll. Vlogging journey starts yesterday. Started yesterday. Pauwi na kami and it's super init. Labanan to ng mga sunscreen at sabon. Tutukan nyo ba kung gaano katirik yung araw? Pero okay lang kasi alagang alada tayo guys. Kaso ng sunscreen yung mukha ko for today's video.